What's up, friends? Today we're gonna be using the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. There have been really bad reviews about this. Actually, I don't know if I've seen any good reviews. It is kind of not pigmented very well or heavily. Yeah, it's not pigmented very well, but I feel like I could work with it. The shadows are really soft, so there's a bit of fallout. As you can see with this top one up here, I'm already hitting pan, but it's because the shadows are so soft. Okay, so it looks like it's really pigmented. It should be really pigmented, but it isn't. In Maybelline's defense, I feel like it's a good like transition or beginner palette, maybe. I don't mind it. I've been using it. I like it. I do wish that it was more pigmented. It blends out pretty well, but it's not very buildable. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see, like, well, you'll see like if you like it based on my video. People who do makeup a lot or like work with eyeshadows, a lot of eyeshadows, I feel like they wouldn't really like this palette, but I mean, I don't mind it. I did get it for free through Influencer. If you guys want to join Influencer, get stuff for free, I'll put a link down below. So I'm just taking the shade Sherbet as a base. And then I'm gonna take Berry Ice and work that into my crease. It's been so long since I've done this. I feel like I don't know what I'm doing. Just bear with me, yeah? So I'm kind of doing what I usually do with my makeup, with my eyeshadow. Just like most of the shadow on my, in my crease, and then on the outer V, and then like a shimmer shade in the, on the, God, my inner corner. I don't know what's going on with me. I don't know. Next I'm gonna go in with this Sweet Tea shade just to deepen it up. So the eyeshadow look that I usually do with this palette is more of kind of like a pink lemonade, strawberry lemonade look. Because I obviously don't really use that much yellow. That's another thing with this palette. I feel like it's called Lemonade Craze, so I feel like it would have more yellow colors. So there's one shade, it's called Lemonade Craze, and it's like yellow. And then there are some golden shimmer shades, but it's, I don't know, for a palette to be called Lemonade Craze, I feel like there should be more lemon shades. And then I'm gonna go in with Ice Pop. And then I'm gonna go back in with Sweet Tea. And then I'm gonna go in with Lemonade Craze and kind of do like just like smoke out the edges. This yellow shade I kind of wish was a little bit more pigmented. Going back to the reason, going back to the name, it's called Lemonade Craze, so I would think that the shade Lemonade Craze would be its most pigmented. That's what the palette is all about, but I don't know. I get a little bit of like a sunset looking thing with this eyeshadow look, smoking out the, you know, I feel like you guys know. That's why I don't really ever finish my sentences. Alright, that's it for that part. I'm gonna go to the bottom. Go in with Ice Pop to kind of copy the top on the bottom. And I go in with Old Fashioned to deepen it up because I feel like the other shadows don't really translate well on my lower lash line. And then I take some Lemonade Craze. I feel like on the bottom, it doesn't really come out yellow. It doesn't really come out like a sunset looking thing on my lower lash line. I feel like it kind of just cleans it up a little bit. I don't know. I feel like I might as well use like a banana powder or something and it'll do the same thing. You know what I mean? Jelly bean. And I forgot, so I'm gonna take a flat brush and use Strawberry Lemonade. Strawberry Lemonade. And then I'm gonna put that on the inner corner of my eyelid. Not like the inner corner of my eye, but just like this part of my eyelid. Like it is. Alrighty dighty. And then I'll take my Fenty Beauty highlighter. It broke, you guys. So sad. Do you see? Yeah, so I'm just gonna take Hustler Baby. That's it. I haven't been using highlight anywhere else on my face. If you're wondering what makes me look so dewy. Do I look dewy? I can't really tell. But I have been mixing my foundation with SPF, so there's that. And then I'm gonna put some mascara on. Oh my god, I've been loving this milk mascara, the Kush mascara. Oh my god, it's so good. It's so good. My camera's overheating, so you guys aren't gonna miss out on much, but I'll be back after this. Okay. Well, this is it. On Instagram, if you guys saw this look, I was obviously wearing falsies, but lately I haven't been wearing falsies aside from that picture, but it was for the sake of the picture. But yeah, this is the Milk Makeup Kush mascara. Look at this. Look at these lashes. Okay, I have this like random long eyelash right here. Like that's just, I don't know. I think I have the same one on this side. Up here. Yeah. So I know this video was for the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. Did I say Maybelline? Maybelline. Then I just started raving about this mascara. Also, it's huge and really heavy. But yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I don't have a problem with it. I mean, I feel like the shadow showed up pretty well. I have used eyeshadows that are more pigmented, so if I'm looking for a little more pop, then I'll use those. But lately I've been using this and I don't have a problem with it. I haven't played with all of the shadows yet. This is the look that I've been wearing. I also threw on the Maybelline Long Drama Matte pencil. Influencer threw this in with this for the free, so that was really cool. But yeah, I like it. The eyeliner is really good. It is matte. It's not waterproof, but it also doesn't run as badly as other eyeliners do. Again, the palette, I don't know how much it is, but I don't think it's that bad if you're a beginner or if you're looking for a softer glam but still with color and affordable. Then I mean, like, Maybelline's an affordable brand, so I would go for it if that's what you're looking for. If you're looking for pigment, a lot of pigment, then I would go for like Anastasia or another big brand. A lot of the brands you're paying for quality, yeah, but you're also paying for the name, like the brand itself, so that's why things are so priced differently. But yeah, I mean, like Maybelline's not a bad brand, but it's also not the best. I feel like I'm just rambling at this point. I kind of just want to stay on camera for as long as possible just because I'm really feeling this look. It's mostly my eyelashes that that I dig. Look at them, my little babies. This mascara though is the bomb. If you haven't gotten it yet, I would suggest you do. Yeah. I think that's it. I'm not gonna keep you guys any longer. It was fun. This was fun. Let's do it again sometime. I'll see you guys then. Bye bye. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Like, I used to, the other day, or sorry,